told you to push it straight.
I tried. Okay.
This is Becca first riding in a shopping cart down a very, very, very long hill.
You didn't get me.
You can't see my hair's in the way.
This is also going on
I'm
YouTube.
gonna strap it because I don't want it to fall off.
Yeah.
It's like our wonderful dancing from the
Read the whole dancing thing on YouTube.
I can put another head in this thing.
I'm going without a helmet.
Okay.
Because I don't want to.
Ready?
Okay, can you strap it?
There's Becca.
There's not a car that came. Becca, you
I said the next 50 seconds.
Yeah, it's vintage. That's actually surprisingly close.
Dun, dun,